What's up, Rich Crew? This is your boy Rich Action coming to you with another video. If you notice, we've moved all of our stocks to this new channel, KD Invest with Rich Action. Let's go. Please subscribe. It's a new channel, which, well, not new, but a continuation of the other channel. We're gonna be doing exclusive stocks on this channel. This video is dedicated to helping you get to 50 to 100,000 in profits over the course of 2021. I'm gonna go over 3 steps to help you get there. 3 steps that I've done personally to accumulate over $79,000 in profit. I want you to be with me right now. You get what I'm saying? I want you to have that profit, right? So if you're new, subscribe, like, let's go over it right now. Boom. The first step is to buy foundational companies that you know are gonna do well. When I started off, I did NEO. Everybody, you can see all my videos. I was one of the first people on YouTube talking about NEO from the get. You know what I'm saying? And I bought the company because I knew that it was gonna do well. I wanna give you 2 companies that you can basically put 50% to 75% of your investments in and let it ride. Don't move it, don't take it out. You want something stable. You want a company that you know that is gonna do well. Why? Because you don't wanna be looking at your stocks every day worrying about your stocks decreasing. When I put my money in NEO, I bought a stock that's under $20 because that's what I was doing, right? And I knew that NEO was going up. I bought it at $10 a share and I just let it ride because the only place that it can go is up from there. NEO, $10 a share, the sky was the limit. 2 stocks that you can do the same with. 1, OEG. I told you about OEG back in December. I got this one. Shout out to Jack Spencer. I got this around, I believe, December the 23rd. It was $1.47. It's went up all the way to $10.67, 69 cents. And right now it's hovering at $9.82. It's consolidated around $8 a share, right? It's a good, stable stock with good foundations where you don't have to look at it every day and worry. You get what I'm saying? You want something that you can just put your money in and then just let it ride. You don't have to worry about it going up and down, left and right. Just a good foundational stock with potential. Another company that I was going over before, Palantir. Again, back in like August, I think, or November. November, it was $10.13 a share. It reached a high of $42.48 a share. It's dipping back down right now for the simple fact that the employees, the investors that were in it from the beginning now have the option to sell their particular shares in February. So everybody's like, okay, I'm getting out because they're gonna get out, right? Which makes sense, but it's a great buying opportunity for us. Even though that this particular stock isn't under $20 a share, it's already proven that it can get up to $43 a share. So guess what? All those people that sold, it's a good foundational company. It has contracts with the government, different universities. This company is great. Do your research on it, right? It's already proven that it can get up to $43 a share. It's at $26, $27 a share right now. So guess what's gonna happen? I think that this is gonna get down to probably $22, $23 a share. Once this fear of the company investors being able to sell their shares are over, probably in another week, this stock is gonna skyrocket back up. It just is. If you do your research and you look at their Q4 and their 2019 compared with their 2021 earnings, they've already not doubled, but it was a good percentage increase, right? Invest in this stock, OEG or Palantir, and just leave your money there. 50% to 75% of your portfolio, because they're good companies that will increase over time where you don't have to worry, and it builds your portfolio, it builds your earnings more so that you can take a little 10%, 20%, 25% out and then invest in other stocks. This goes to the second key thing. Everything that I've done is what has made me get to 100 grand in 2020. Buy and hold. Stop jumping from stock to stock to stock hoping to get profits here, hoping to get profits there, hoping to get profits there. Buy and hold stocks. Don't do contracts, especially if you're new, because you can lose. I've lost probably 20 to 40 grand in contracts, right? Just buy and hold stocks. Buy and hold stocks. You hear about stocks like CCIV and other stocks. What's another stock? Riot, Mara. And you get excited and you jump in and then you jump out, and don't do that unless you're an experienced investor, right? You should just be buying and holding 5 to 6 stocks and then just letting it ride. Potential stocks under $20 a share that have room to grow, right? You have your 50% to 75% already in OEG or Palantir or another fundamental stock that's doing well. Anything else that you're investing after that from your paycheck every week, you're gonna be buying out of the new 5 to 6 stocks that you're hearing from my channel, that you're hearing from Jack Spencer, that you're hearing from Uncle Larry, that you're hearing from Kana Invest. We give you stocks so that you can just buy and hold, right? The only time that you should be selling your shares is if you're buying on a dip. And you should only be buying on a dip if you're knowledgeable about, hey, this stock has hit this ceiling, this ceiling, so let me sell at the ceiling and then buy on a dip, if you're knowledgeable about doing it. You get what I'm saying? But if you're a new investor, just buy and hold. One fundamental stock like OEG or Palantir, and then 5 to 6 different stocks that have potential that's under $20 a share, right? Third thing, get rid of the FOMO. Don't have FOMO. CCIV went up like $10, $12 a share today, right? You might have jumped in at the high at $50, $52 a share because you had fear of missing out. That's what FOMO stands for. Get rid of it. Just buy and hold. We're telling you what to invest in. Disclaimer, this is for entertainment purposes only. However, we're telling you what we're investing in. All you have to do is buy and hold. You don't have to jump from stock to stock because you see other people getting into it. Buy the low-key cap stocks under $20, all these SPAC companies. You could buy the top 5 SPAC companies and just hold them and make money. Stop jumping from stock to stock because of fear of missing out. You get what I'm saying? I did that. That's how I made my first 100K. And just hold. And when you have enough knowledge to say, okay, I'm ready to sell, is buying a dip, do it. Or if you have more money that you can invest in and you say, okay, I'm ready to do contracts because I've learned enough, then do it, right? But don't do it until you've hit 50,000 in profit or 100,000 in profit. You get what I'm saying? That way you see the growth. That way you can see your accomplishments. That's how I made my money, and that's what I'm telling you to do. First thing, buy and hold 1 or 2 fundamental companies, OEG or Palantir. Second, buy and hold 5 to 6 other companies. Buy 100 shares, 125 shares, and then just hold them, period. And let them grow. Any stocks that's under 20 that you see have the potential for growth. The first key stocks that I've always told you, fuel cell companies, EV companies, and space companies. Or just look at what Cathie Wood is doing and just buy and hold all of those companies. You get what I'm saying? And then third, don't have that fear of missing out. There's always gonna be other opportunities. First there was Neo, then there was Golden Nugget, then there was GameStop, now there's CCIV. There's gonna be something else in another month or 2 that you can make a killing on, right? And when you're ready, guess what? You'll be able to make that money because you're ready. Get what I'm saying? Stop having that FOMO. So that's all for today. I appreciate you staying. Let's get this, let's make this money. Please subscribe to the channel. In order to be rich, you gotta take action. You gotta take action in order to be rich. Peace.